In this video, I want to talk about how you can get dividends on trading 212. Now keep in mind, you don't actually need to do something specific. You don't need to claim dividends. You'll automatically get your dividends when the stock is paying out dividends. The only thing you need to do is hold the stock that you have bought that pays out dividends. So to check if they pay out, head over and find any stock, or it can be some stocks that you already own. But if you don't know, you can just find the stock, scroll down, and if it says dividend yield and it's above 0%, that means they're paying out dividends. Now they pay out 2.89%. Nvidia pays really low, if I remember. Yeah, they pay really low, but they do pay out. But some have 0%. Let's see if there is one. Yeah, so Tesla pays 0%, so that means they're not paying out dividends. But that's basically how it works, guys. You just need to hold the stock and own it, and then you're gonna get paid out for dividends. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.